These are the fucking tears from Sudan. Fathers holding phones tight, praying for their sons again. Shit is heavy, every message feels like life in their hands. These are the fucking tears. The tears from Sudan, they come from Sudan, where every goodbye feels like a war you never planned. Fathers staring at the screen, hoping for a ring, hoping for a voice saying, Baba, I'm still breathing. They set out for Europe, chasing hope like a ghost. Cross Libya's hell, fuck that place, swallow souls. Cross the sea, Greece, Turkey, Bosnia in the cold. Every border like a wall saying you don't belong. These are the fucking tears from Sudan. Fathers holding phones tight, praying for their sons again. Shit is heavy, every message feels like life in their hands. These are the fucking tears. The tears from Sudan. Only one more border, Croatia in sight. But winter came faster than any flicker of light. Mountains, forests, snow like a fist in the night. Cold cut deeper than any motherfucking knife. Hours turned to days, bodies frozen to stone. No feeling left, just pain in the bone. Frostbite creeping like a thief in the dark. Stealing fingers, stealing legs, stealing pieces of their hearts. Not through war, not through violence, but through cold, that silent, merciless shit that nobody controls. Not through war, not through violence, but through cold, that silent, merciless shit that nobody controls. These are the fucking tears. Tears. Doctors fighting for their lives, doing all that they can, but to save a beating heart, sometimes you lose a hand. 3 men, 3 stories, 3 futures cut short. Legs gone, hands gone, fuck this world falls short. We feed them, we hold them, we clean every wound. We sit with their silence, their fear in the room. And when a father cries to his kids through the phone, that shit hits harder than any bullet or stone. These are the fucking tears from Sudan. A father's voice shaking as he tries to